Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.